channel. I'm really excited to show you what I got in my Ipsy bag for September. Ipsy is really kicking off the fall season for sure, and I think that's great because the temperature is cooling down finally. I'm actually wearing a sweater, so I'm all about this whole fall vibe going on. I'm really feeling it. I need my pumpkin spice cold brew pronto, and this hopefully will help me get my fall vibes swinging. I got my Ipsy bag in the mail. This is the bag that they gave me though. I don't know, it's a very soft, like, corduroy purse. Not a fan. I think it's kind of ugly, even though it kind of goes with the fall and my sweater theming. I don't know, I'm just not a fan of the purse. It's like, okay, I know what they're trying to do, they're kicking off fall, but I don't know, I don't really care for the feel of corduroy or the look, so yeah, not my favorite bag, I have to say. Just like, it's something. You get your monthly card that always comes with your bag. This month, it's all about good vibes, which I'm all about. Stay positive, be strong, and believe in yourself. This month, you actually get a legitimate card to tell you what you got in your bag, finally, yes, and what the products will actually cost if you buy the full-size product, so it'll actually help you consider if it's worth it or not. So some of the products I've already tried. I already tried the It Cosmetics and the Benefit Cosmetics products, and I already know that they're amazing. I actually picked out the It Cosmetics brand for my monthly choice. I'm actually going to do something a little bit differently. I'm going to actually try on the products while doing this Ipsy bag review. I don't think I've done a video like that. So I'm going to go through the bag and review the products as I go. I'm going to apply some eyeshadow so that way I'll have actually some sort of look going on, and that way we can move on to the face and review all the facial products that I got from the September Ipsy bag, so keep it locked. Added a little bit of fall flair. Hopefully I did it right, so we can actually get into the spice of the bag here and get into the face products that they gave me. I got here the Benefit Pore Professional Hydrating Primer, the Item Cheek Money Bronzer, I believe it's a bronzer, yes, and the It Cosmetics CC Cream, can't go wrong with that. And I also have here a highlighter from Dulce, I believe that's the name of the brand, not sure, but we're going to try it out. And I also received a brand new contouring brush, so we're going to try that out from China B. Let's get into the face. I've already tried the Benefit Professional Primer, I believe the original formula, and it was so fantastic. The sample is ridiculous. The size is like, what? You get basically like maybe one, possibly two applications if you're lucky. It looks like a toy. It looks like those little toys that they've been selling that look like actual food products, but they're like not. They're mini toys. I'm just like, this is mini skincare. I'm just like, okay. It has like a nice, cool, like flush tone. I think it looks pretty good. I hope that will go great on my skin and not discolor it in any way. It has like a nice skincare smell to it. It smells like hand lotion, pretty much. And we're going to massage it in our hands and apply it to our neck and all over our face. It feels really nice so far. Doesn't feel weird or sticky. Doesn't even feel tacky. It feels like an actual skincare lotion, like a moisturizer. which is nice. That way you know that you're getting a good product that will actually have some benefits for you. I believe the benefit of this is hydration. It's supposed to provide 24 hours of hydration. So we shall see. That's like a pretty big claim. I believe that's actually supposed to minimize pores as well, along with the formula, so we'll see about that. Let me grab my mirror here, and it feels very moisturizing. I like it. As for pores, well, kind of hard to tell in this lighting. I think that it's definitely a good primer. The last time I used the original product, my skin was feeling so nice, just like it is right now. My foundation lasted so long, even in the heat and humidity. It lasted so long. It was like very strong, so it's very good for like the summer months. We're going to get into foundation and get that started. We're going to be using the It Cosmetic CC Cream in the shade medium. I actually reviewed this a long time ago on this channel, way back in the day. If I can find that video, I will link that down below. The quality isn't so great, but it was my time of starting up reviews and everything and figuring out what I wanted to do. I cannot rave about the It CC Cream enough. It's just so flawless. The coverage is phenomenal. I only wish that they had more of a selection in the trial sizes and samples. The shade range is kind of like garbage. There's not enough shade ranges for everyone, which is very disappointing because you want everyone to experience your makeup and to feel wonderful and beautiful and have the same exact coverage as everyone else. So kind of disappointed in their shade range, I have to say. The samples are just always in 3 shades and that's it. So they need to expand that sample range way more, in my opinion. I'm sorry about the dogs barking. I don't know what they're barking at, maybe at their doggy friend. I have no clue. Sorry about that. The sample is really tiny, but you do get a good idea if you like it or not. I'm going to use one of my beauty blenders today that I got from my Makeup and Murder collection, and that is so wonderful. I love these sponges from Makeup and Murder. They are so high quality. I've been using them constantly for my videos lately when I'm doing my makeup off camera, and these are so good, I have to say. And they're affordable, and you get 2 for like $12. You can't beat that anywhere. I'm going to apply it always to like my under eye, so that way it's like a concealing effect. The coverage of the It CC Cream is amazing. It really does cover all your flaws. Like this birthmark thing that I always have on my face is completely concealed with barely using any other product. I believe it's a 5-in-1 product. You get skincare, you get anti-aging hydrating serums, you get color correcting, you get full coverage cream, and you get SPF. The product actually does what it says, which is nice because a lot of products are just underwhelming and they don't really do what they say. They say, oh, I'm hydrating and illuminating, when they don't really do much of anything. You actually get a lot for your money with this too, because you don't have to apply so much like other brands. You always have to dip in. With this one, you don't really have to dip in too much. A little bit goes a long way. Pretty much less is more with this one, which I love. I recommend using this in the fall and winter months when you're not super sweating and perspiring and it's not so humid. That's the perfect time to pick up and stock up on some It CC Cream, is in the fall and winter for sure. That's what I'm going to be doing for sure, because in the summer it doesn't hold up well at all. When you're sweating, it really does come off a lot, but in the winter it really does hold on because, you know, you're not really doing too much and you're not really sweating a lot. It actually covers up like a lot of that like redness I always have from like sunburns and just being a fair-skinned person. I love this to like cover up like any kind of like imperfections or redness on my skin. It just like really conceals it and makes it so much lighter. The next item I'm going to be using is from Item Beauty, the Cheek Money Swipe and Glow bronzer in the shade Mood. It looks very dark. Let's see. It looks dark, but actually looks pretty light. That is a swatch of it. I really have to go in with the product. It has like a shimmer to it. While I'm at it, I'm going to be using the contour brush that they gave me from Cheyenne B. I believe that's how you pronounce her name. Very nice, fluffy, beautiful brush. The bristles feel very nice. And this is, it's $23, which I'm like, I don't know if I would pay $23 for it. It's very synthetic, but it feels very soft. I'm going to dip into the product, really dipping in. It's very light. I'm surprised that it's so light. In the palette, it looks very dark, so we'll see. I'm going to do a fish face, and we're going to start doing our contour. If anything would show up. Yeah, you really have to like dip into this. It's supposed to be a bronzer, I know, not a contour, but if you wanted to bronze, there's like pretty much nothing here. It's very, very subtle, which I'm not complaining about. It's like right up my alley. I really like light bronzers, so that way I can make them into contour, so I'm not mad at this. I'm just like surprised how much you have to dip in to get some sort of like look going on. It's okay. Not my favorite, but it does the trick. I'm going to contour my nose and see how well that will work. So I tried it as my nose contour, and it works really well for contouring my nose. It's nice, simple, and subtle without going too overboard or dramatic. If you're into a more nice, subtle, everyday look and feel for your makeup, this would definitely be right up your alley for bringing out a nice, beautiful, natural looking contour without going too deep, dark, and drastic. So I think that's pretty good. The texture is very nice. There's no ugly fallout whatsoever, and I think it's a pretty good product. I just have to, you know, maybe let it grow, and maybe, you never know, this might become one of my favorite contours. We'll have to see. Now we're going to try the Dulce Chromatic highlighter in the shade Glisten, and we'll see how that works out. It's in a cute little package right here. So super cute and easy for on the go. Really blinding on the finger, but like when you apply it to your skin, I don't know if you can see it, it's very light and subtle. I think you'll definitely have to build that up for sure. Maybe more on the natural side, bringing out that glow from within kind of highlight, so we'll see. I'm not using the proper highlighting brush. I know I'm using a angle blush brush, but hey, when in doubt, use what you have. So that's what we're doing today. I'm going to apply my highlight right above the contour. It's not super blinding, but it's definitely there. That is a gorgeous glow right there. Looking at myself in the mirror. Nice, subtle, not too blinding of a highlight. Very, very glow from within. I am impressed. I really like that a lot. Very nice. Very, very nice. I'm going to finish the rest of my look off camera, and I'll be back to you with my final thoughts. This month, I think that they really did a fantastic job with the bag. The bag itself, ugly, but the products, they actually put thought into it, and they're products I'm actually going to use. They actually gave me really good quality products to do a face look for all of you today and actually do something different for my Ipsy review. So I'm glad that I could do something different for you guys. I think that they did a fantastic job. I really highly recommend Ipsy. I have a link down below in the description so that way you can get your very own Ipsy bag. I'm not getting paid whatsoever. It's just a referral link. So pretty much I just get points if you use my link down below. So check it out. Maybe you'll find something that is really fantastic. Thank you so much for watching my Good Vibes Ipsy bag review for September. If you enjoyed this review, let me know by leaving a huge thumbs up down below. While you're here, why not subscribe? It's free. By pressing a notification bell, you'll be notified when the newest, latest videos are posted every Wednesday and Saturday. So be on the lookout. Press that notification bell. Follow me on all my social media so that way you're notified when a new video is posted. In case you didn't press that notification bell, press it. I have a ton of affiliate links and coupon codes listed down below so that way you can get some great steals and deals. I have an Avon shop listed down below. Get all the essential products that you need for a great price in the comfort of your own home. You can wear your pajamas and order all the products that you need. You don't even have to go anywhere. How amazing is that? Let me be a representative today, and I would really appreciate that so much. As always, I'll talk to all of you next time. Bye everyone.